Alright guys, if you're opening up Fortnite for the very first time, there's a few things you guys can do, and we're going to take a look at them. Especially when it comes down to your account, because you don't really need to make an Epic Games account that's separate from your PlayStation account. It can be the exact same one. However, we're going to take a look at that right now and show you what I mean by that. So we're going to press to start, and you guys will see that we are already kinda here. So don't skip this part. This is where you need to link your account. So make sure to link it up. And that means go into your tablet, phone, go into Epic Games. And then from there, you guys can go on and just sign in using your PlayStation. Or go ahead and create an account. Once you guys create an account, you guys can go ahead and link it up. So I'm going to show you how to do that right now. Alright, so on your tablet, phone, computer, whatever you guys want, just type in Epic Games under Google. And then just go into your first option. And on the top right hand side of your screen, you're going to see this. Just go in and sign in. So right here is the part that you're going to link your account. So if you don't have an Epic Games account, you guys can make it right now. I made a video about how to do that. Or you could continue on with whichever. I suggest just making an Epic Games account. So go on and use that email and create one. Once you signed in, just going to continue, sign all the way in. Once you signed in, it's gonna take you here. So again, on the top right hand side of your screen, you're gonna see account. So just click on account. And then from your account, you're gonna see on the left hand side, on the bottom, apps and accounts. Just click there. You're gonna see your PlayStation. If you have Xbox, Nintendo, same thing. So we're gonna go ahead and connect that up. So click on connect. And again, we're just gonna go on and connect account. So what it was supposed to do is just ask you to sign into your PlayStation account, and that's it. You would go ahead and be hooked up. So right now, you guys are gonna see that your PlayStation network is in fact hooked up. So you're linked up your account and you're good to go. So go on and enjoy Fortnite.